7 in the standings.
Wait,
right
where are
now.
you seeing the stats, dude?
Go to the Premier League.
Okay,
I can-
I'm gonna run.
I can't.
Shit, nah.
Blocking vision.
Flash.
Yeah,
Yeah,
going up mid, like, careful door.
4, 5, 5, 5, 5.
God. Just dart.
Scanning ahead.
Not planting.
Not planting, not planting.
Shot dart.
You're fine. No, we're not peeking, we're not peeking.
10
They're
seconds left.
freaking out.
Here.
Corner, she was so cornered.
Camera taken out.
We have
Spike planted. One
Nice.
enemy. Spike planted.
Okay, just wait that out.
Breaking it.
so there's only 2 sides, guys. Do a fast hit. KO's coming market.
I can't mark it,
KO's
can't
coming
mark it.
market.
One
Kill the market.
enemy
Okay,
remaining.
retake as a team.
Go on you. Wait.
Last player
wait,
standing.
80. Close. Just reloading.
Nice.
Let's fucking go.
Nice.
Let's
Oh,
go.
I was coming back around to you.
I wasn't nervous at all. I wasn't nervous at all.
GG.
Defenders.
Good job, guys. We got one.
Fuck those ascendant bitches. I think we're about to hear you.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Oh.
Here. No hard feelings.
Oh.
One man still.
One
Hell.
enemy remaining.
Hell.
Man, he has all.
Me.
I'm pushing. I'm staying.
Come here.
Let's
Go side. Fast. Side. 2, 2.
One enemy remaining.
Man with the
Low,
ace.
low.
Got 2 bullets.
2 bullets. Swing. No!
Thank you.
Endings
Shit.
or matches? Okay.
Bro.
Standings tab. There it is. Match history right there. Match history. Screenshot of that.
Oh my
Wait.
god.
Pretty sick.
That was tight. That was tight as hell.
That was good. That was really good. Imagine if I warmed up, man. Oh, shit.
Dude,
I don't
isn't
think
that sick, bro?
Yeah, you stay warm, dude.
I'm so proud of y'all, bro. I'm so proud of y'all.
Oh, I can't believe. Yeah, I'm finally playing with you too, Zan. Fuck.
Dude, how sick
I
is
know,
that?
dude. We have not.
We have
We've
not
always
played
wanted
with you.
to.
You're
Yeah.
just too high up.
All right.
It's really just the game sense that we just got to work on comms and game sense.
Yeah,
but we're
yeah.
kicking ass, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload the VODs and then we can just good. Wow.
Oh, here's the standings. Let's see.
Good.
I think we need to work on our attack a little bit. Just like
Yeah.
executing on site.
Yeah, I literally
Yeah.
could literally get customs like 3, 2, 1, and then we do everything in order. We
Yeah,
did that
yeah.
hundreds of times.